CarersPlus Asia. First of all, I'd like to warmly welcome our distinguished guests. Thank you for taking your time to celebrate this special occasion with us. Today, I want to share my journey with you. A journey from my village to this academy, from down to home. I am a girl with big dreams, but growing up, those dreams start to fade. Not because I gave up, but because I come from disadvantaged background. Still, I never stopped believing. I am from a small town in Sabah called KOTA MARUDU. It takes about 3 to 4 hours to travel from my kampung to get here. In my village, most of the people earn a living by tapping rubber, including my father. He has worked hard for many years to support my mother, my 5 siblings, and me. My mother is a housewife, a mother who has sacrificed so much in raising her children with unconditional love. As the eldest child, I've always felt a sense of responsibility to help my family. I've taken on any job I could find, hoping to contribute. Then one day, I came across to this program through WhatsApp group. Honestly, I was excited, but also nervous. It seems too good to be true, because everything was fully funded. And I was scared it might be a scam. But something in me said, just try. And I'm so glad I did. This training has opened my eyes. With the growing number of elderly people in our communities, there is a real and urgent need for skilled, compassionate carers. And now, with the knowledge and experience I gain here, I can become one of them. CarersPlus Asia is more than just a training center for me. It's a doorway to my future. Through this program, I found a career path that allows me to support my family, reach for my dreams, and give back to the community. One of the most meaningful moments during my training happened just a few days ago. I had the opportunity to care for a patient with an advanced cancer who has receiving a palliative care. Using the skills I've learned, like bed bathing and range of motions exercise, I was able to provide physical support. But even more important was the emotional support. I learned how crucial it is to be there, not just a caregiver, but as a comforting presence. Sadly, the patient passed away, peacefully in the arms of his wife and 2 children. Right in front of me. It was my first time witnessing something like that. It left a deep mark on my heart. It made me realize how many people out there need this kind of care, and how ready I am to provide it. I've come a long way from my kampung, and now with CarersPlus Asia, I see a chance to share and color my dreams again. Not just for myself, but for my family and for others who need care. I'd like to end my sharing with a simple message. Appreciate the loved ones while still have the chance. Here at CarersPlus Asia, we are ready to serve. Thank you.
Thank you, BETNEYX. Yes, I am sure most of you, if not all, agree with me that was a very touching experience. Yes, a challenging decision for a young girl to decide what to do with her